In today's video, I will walk you through how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the left side of the screen and clicking Sales. Once the Sales section opens, select the Invoices tab. The Invoices tab will display your invoice list. To make sure you're viewing invoices with every status, locate the filter settings near the top of the list. Find the Status option and change it to All. Next, check the Date filter. Set the date range to include all of your invoices. Make sure the selected range covers the dates of the invoices you want to view. After adjusting the Status and Date filters, go to the top right of the invoice table and locate the gear icon. Click the gear icon to open the available viewing options. Look for the option that controls the number of rows displayed. Set the number of rows to the maximum, which is 300. Once you've set the rows to 300, the invoice list will display up to 300 invoices on a single page. You can then scroll through the list without switching between multiple pages. If you need to review the entire invoice list, scroll through the displayed invoices on the page. If the date range does not include an invoice you're looking for, return to the Date filter and expand the range to include it. The key settings are Status set to All, the date range set to include all invoices, and the number of displayed rows set to 300. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.